Soul Tarot prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. It's a situationship reading that is either related to career or relationship. This is the situation going on currently with you. This is a reading for the zodiac sign Aries. Let's see what's going on with you, Aries, in your situationship reading. Let's see. Okay, so two people at a distance thinking about each other, energetically, or else either in a physical separation or emotional separation, but thinking about each other intensely. The intensity of thinking or the thought process is very high. Two people, or you might be, missing your twin flame connection, Aries, some of you, and the others of you are might be in a separation with their loved ones or with their spouses or with their uh, soulmates or someone who exhibits this energy. So yes, two people at a distance thinking about each other, and on an energetic level especially, and your vision is very high. You are thinking of starting something new, having a new vision, starting something new, brand new, or thinking to take an action towards either a relationship or a career start. A new beginning is starting for you in the January month 2022. Okay. Okay, I can also see that someone is coming towards you, Aries, on a very slow pace. Like, very slow. Someone is entering into your life in a very, let's say, uh, a sort of message, or a sort of message, or someone is trying to reach out to you, or someone is coming towards you in a very slow motion, in a very slow situation. Okay, and I can also see that there are hidden truths, hidden secrets which are revealed to you about certain situation, either in your career life or in your relationship, or about the negative people around you. So you are going to be very much fearless, in the month of January. There is something which is going to manifest. A wish is going to come true in the month of January, especially, or you have been waiting for so many years or so many months. Your manifestation power will be very high. It will be very powerful in the month of January. I can see that, which is very, very, very good, to be very honest. Let's see what's going on with your love situation. Your manifestation will be very high. So if you are thinking to manifest something, manifest it correctly, because I think whatever you are willing to do, or whatever your wish fulfillment is, that is going to be very high, to very honest. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so let's see what's coming up for you, Aries, in the Aries month, in the, like, let's say, the month of January. What is coming up for you guys? Okay, some of the Aries who are in separation or reconciliation might happen with a past person or a past lover, or if you are dealing with a twin flame connection, then from the past lifetime, then a reconciliation or a union type might happen with you. Okay, and if you are in the separation with a person, and if he is your twin flame or soulmate connection, then a reconciliation might happen. I can also see that you are healing a family issues, your love life benefits as you forgive your parents. So yes, if something happened between you and your partner because of your parents, or because of the family situations, then those family situations will be healing. Okay, I can also see that you need to disconnect from the world, and you need to travel. You need to go within, and you need a time of rest with your partner. Okay, so go on a vacation, travel somewhere, disconnect from the world, because it will help you to grow with each other. And definitely a reconciliation, reunion is possible if you are dealing with someone who is into separation, either either on an energetic level or a physical level. So a reconciliation is definitely possible, and it will only happen when you will start healing family issues, or the problems you were having with the person in, or whatever your drawbacks are, or whatever you're lacking in. So it will only get cured once you will start healing your family situations. Okay, only then it will happen. Okay, so let's see what's coming up for you, the universal message for you guys. the universal message for you guys. I am going to take only three, okay? Since I am doing a different kind of reading today. The universal message for the month of January is I am the loving energy of the universe. Surrender to the universe, guys, okay? The universe has your back. Whatever prayers you are going through, universe is somewhere listening to it. So, you know, always pray to the universe. Always be grateful to the universe, whatever you are getting. So that will be really good for you. The third one is I am unapologetic about what I desire and trust that what I focus on will grow. Okay, so you are being very unapologetic with the things you are going through. Okay, that's the thing. So yes, I hope you like this reading, guys. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. Bye bye, take care, and kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Aries.